Hi, welcome to our channel of IGNOU audiobooks, Indira Gandhi National Open University, School of Foreign Languages, SOFL. Certificate in Arabic Language, call. BAL 001 Basics of Arabic. Block-1 Reading and Writing I. Unit-3 The School. 3.0 Objectives. The objective of the following unit is to give you some important Arabic words related to the school. 3.1 Introduction. In the following unit you will learn the use of this, hara, and that. Dalika, in Arabic along with 6 new common Arabic words. Also, you will become familiar with the use of this i.e. Hadihi, feminine. Added that, tilka, feminine. So read the following words carefully and memorize them. But before doing it, just have a quick revision of the words you have learnt in the previous unit. 3.2 Revision. Read the following Arabic words loudly. Meanings Arabic words. I. For both masculine and feminine, ana. You, masculine, anta. You, feminine, anti. He, hua. She, tilde, hiya. Man, rajul. Woman, imra. Businessman, tajir. Tourist, sah. Indian, Hindi. 3.3 New words. This, for masculine, hadha. This, for feminine, hadihi. That, for masculine, dhalik. That, for feminine, tilka. Pen. Kalam. Notebook, daftar. Hotel, funduk. Restaurant, matam. Bag, hakiba. Chair, kursal. 3.5 Exercise 2. This exercise is designed to teach the formation of simple but very important sentences of daily uses. So far, you have learnt only words of Arabic. See how many sentences you can form out of them. The more you practice, the more you will get the benefit. Read the following simple sentences carefully. Practice of this is masculine only. Hadha bait, this is a house. Hadha maktab, this is a office. Hadha mustashfa, this is a hospital. Hadha matar, this is an airport. Hadha kalam, this is a pen. Hadha daftar, this is a notebook. Hadfi funduk, this is a hotel. Hadha kursi, this is a chair. Hadha mudir, this is a manager. Hadha saik, this is a driver. Hadha muhandis, this is an engineer. Hadha tabibi, this is a doctor. Hadha sa, this is a tourist. Hadha muwadhaf, this is a staff. Hadha mulasib, this is an accountant. Hadha shurayai, this is a policeman. Hadha amil, this is a worker. Hadha haris, this is a watchman. Hadha rajul, this is a man. Hadihi sharika, this is a company. Hadihi madrasa, this is a school. Hadihi mumarida, this is a nurse. Hadihi sayara, this is a car. Hadihi taira, this is an aeroplane. Hadihi imra, this is a woman. Hadihi hakiba, this is a bag. Hadihi muhandisa, this is an engineer. Hadihi tabiba, this is a lady doctor. Hadihi sa, this is a tourist. Hadis Hindia, this is an Indian lady. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next video with the next chapter.